In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link menu items to anchors on Wix for a smooth scrolling experience. If you have a website on Wix and you want to create seamless navigation that enhances user experience, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this step-by-step guide to adding that professional touch to your site. So first things first, ensure you're logged into your Wix account and have your site open in the Wix editor. With your site open, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Add button, which is represented by a familiar plus icon on your toolbar. Clicking this button will reveal a menu with several options. Navigate to the section labeled Menu and Anchors. Here, you'll see you have the ability to drag and drop different anchors directly onto your page. Place these anchors on various sections of your website, where you would like your visitors to be smoothly transitioned to when they click on a specific menu item. Once you're satisfied with how your anchors are arranged, we can move on to the next part of our process, which is setting up smooth scrolling. For this, you'll need to once again access the Add button. Click on it, and this time, we're going to select the button option from the menu. From here, it's as simple as dragging and dropping any button you like onto your page. These buttons can be customized both visually with your preferred styles and practically by linking to the anchors you established earlier. Linking these buttons to anchors is what will provide the smooth scrolling effect when they are clicked, a nifty little trick that assists in creating a more engaging website by guiding visitors effortlessly through your content. To ensure everything is working as it should, publish your changes and preview your site. Click on the menu items and watch in satisfaction as your site scrolls smoothly to the chosen sections. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in how users experience your website. Keep in mind that aesthetics and user experience go hand in hand. Taking the time to add features like anchors and smooth scrolling can notably enhance how users navigate and interact with your site. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to elevate your Wix site. So that wraps up our smooth scrolling tutorial. With these simple instructions, you can easily create beautifully flowing transitions on your site, readily improving navigation with just a few clicks. Thank you for tuning in, and happy building. Remember, the smoother the navigation, the more enjoyable the user's journey through your content will be.